Makaih.
Drop.
Alright guys, it's next day. I've got some sleep. We're wide awake now. That was a long yesterday, but we made lots of progress. Motor is in, plumbed. Fuel line is there. Water is there. We got to hook up a couple electrics for the fan. But for the rest of it, it is good to go. Fuel system's all the way good to the back of the gas tank. What we need to do now is we actually need to turn the battery and put some power to the car and see if we have any problems there, make sure that our circuitry is good. That way we're not burning up computers and burning up this and that and those kind of things. So that's the next step now. So it's time to put a little juice to it. So let's get it done.
Cleaned it all out.
It's cleaned out. Got the last few wires around that we needed to. We got radio hooked up. We got
Oh, you got the little USB put in.
USB hooked up. The only thing that's really left is we gotta hook up this. This is for courtesy lights, for the LED lights. And then this wiring is going to be for the little knobby thingy for the power steering. It's for seat heaters.
Oh, yeah.
Well.
What are you looking for? Smoke?
Huh? Why, yes. Yes, I am. Okay.
Sizzle, sizzle, snap, snap, pop.
That's a good sign. No, yeah. Heck yeah. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to start it up with the Holley 12-inch display in it. Yeah, this is the first time we're turning it on with the car. So I've checked all the wiring. All the power looks good. So let's see what we get. No way that was that easy. All right, guys, you probably heard some stuff, saw some stuff go on. We did a little bit of calibration. We ran through the calibration on this guy. This is for the EFI. It ran through. The fuel pump now turns on when you click the switch. It actually gives, there's no fuel in it, but it actually pushes enough pressure to give an indication on the fuel PSI, fuel flow. Oil and stuff. So with that, we still need to do stuff to the motor to get it running, but looks like all the gauges we're gonna have to play. It's gonna take hours for me to play around with the dash, to create a dash to get like oil temp and those kind of things. But on this little guy, we have fuel pressure, coolant, and all the other readings that we need, tack. So we're gonna see, we can actually see it here. We'll see if it represents it on the big gauge or if we have to do more to that. But it's all CAN bus, so everything should talk. So we should be good on that, but we're not going to know that really until we turn it on. But with that, we're going to continue on putting this thing together so we can get it to run today. All right, guys, we got to get the headers cleaned up so we can put them on. So here we go. All right, guys, we're getting closer. Oil is in. I put the dipstick in. Adam is currently working on spark plugs. I'm going to start to add water. And yeah, that'll take us a couple steps closer to this thing. So that's what we're doing. Dude, we're putting water in the car.
Oh yeah. It's getting serious now.
It's getting real now.
Getting real serious now.
What's that lake on the floor, Greg?
Me spilling.
Let me get you a look.
That's because I already checked my hoses, bro. Ow! That's what I get for being an ass out. Bing! You know it's serious when, well, whoa. You know it's serious when the drive shaft's going in. Ow, that's a jack stand. Alright. World's shortest drive shaft. Dude, there's a drive shaft in your car.
Yeah, dude, we're this weekend.
This is like some real deal stuff right
It's
here.
like real deal stuff now. It's getting there now. It's like real deal stuff.
Well, I was telling Dave, I was like, yeah, Dave, you know, there's just times where things go like the first part of a car build, like the first 10% is kind of slow. Then it ramps up, and then you have just days towards the mid, like 3/4 where things just freaking rock and roll. And then it goes slow for the last 10%. I like how we didn't fix the dent on this back tube. There's a dent right here
Oh yeah.
from where the drive shaft came off. It's like,
On the crossover right there?
yeah. It's like,
Did we miss it or we just didn't care?
I don't think we care, and I like it now because it kind of gives a kind of like reminder of, you know, where this car, like,
There you go.
You know,
That
there's-
is if our car ever gets stolen and they repaint it. We'll climb underneath and look for that dent. in the
right?
Transmission.
Oh, well, that scared the shit out of me. Okay. All right.
We heard him crank it, right? Didn't it even start for like a split second when we were at his house? He started for us, right?
I think he turned the crank over.
Maybe it never lit.
I don't
Is
think
that
it
what
ever
the deal
lit.
was?
I don't think it ever lit. He showed us the video of it starting.
That's right. It just turned over.
Or we put, I don't know, I'm sure if we turned it over because I looked at the wiring and saw how sketch it was, and I was like, oh, it's not,
Let's not keep going.
let's not keep going. Let's just
we
let
came
this,
out here to buy it unburnt down.
yeah, let's not burn this thing down. I think Adam's already given you the check. Good pressure, 55. Ready? Here we go.
I want to go through.
I knew I felt shit. Keep going. One more. Right there. No,
We're not even close.
we're not close.
That's why it's being stupid.
That's why it's being a challenge. Okay, so
But it would have like 30 degrees in it, but that'd only be like that much.
would not be
Or-
that. I don't think it'd even be close to that.
No,
would
I
you?
wouldn't think so.
It's got oil in it. Let me see the bottom of it. No, it's hexed. It's not like it's hexed, so it should. We're just not just off a little bit.
Oh,
Whoa,
I think I might have just got it.
that might be.
I think I got
I
it.
think we got it. All right, so go ahead.
Oh, before you do that, can you plug? Oh yeah, you got it right there. Starter's getting a little dirty.
I've already kicked over the other one. All right, starter needs to be changed, but here we go. Hey guys, what an awesome way to finish out this video. Car runs, things look good. We got temperature, we got oil pressure, we got oil temperature, we got water temperature, we got fuel pressure. So motor runs, sounds good. We need to get it outside so we can let it run for a little bit and start cleaning up and let the computer kind of learn about what's going on. But couldn't be happier. I mean, what you saw was when we got the motor from where we bought the car, we had seen a video of it run, so we assumed that the distributor was in the right place, but it was not. So simple, easy fix, pull the distributor, reset it, put it back down, and it immediately fired right up. So with that done, things are great. So come in the next video, what we're shooting for is we're shooting for tires on it, brakes done, and actually taking this thing for a little spin for its first go-kart or drive. So with that, come back and see us next time. Thanks for being here for this one. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe. If you have subscribed, awesome. But we will see you guys next time.